Kevin Cantrell here with the Yard Hydrant Made Easy. Today I'm going to do a quick video to introduce you to our newest model of our Yard Hydrant Made Easy product line. It's called the Do-It-Yourself Kit. Before I do go any further, I want to thank all of our customers for making this even possible. Now, all of our Yard Hydrant Made Easy products are manufactured and designed around a patented slip-together brass fitting. This brass fitting, you connect your water supply to at the bottom of our product. You connect your hydrant to the removable portion, and through our riser column, you can replace a hydrant in the future without excavation. Some of our models you can purchase along with it a dual check valve that connects to the base of your hydrant in areas that code requires. You can check out all those on our website at yardhydrantmadeeasy.com. Today, though, I do want to introduce you to this particular do-it-yourself kit. There will be no pre-assembly on this kit. You will do all the assembly. It will come with a top cap assembly. It will come with the brass slip-together brass fitting, dual check valve if you need it, grate assembly, all the components that you need for the production of the product. You will cut your pipe, take your dimensions, drill your hole where required, do the whole assembly of the product. So that's really it for today. I will be making a very detailed video for the assembly of this do-it-yourself kit, but that will be it for this video. Thank you very much.